Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the Gushing Text Effect in CapCut PC. So first I'm going to select the black screen and go to text, select the bold text, and going to export the duration and change border text. So you can change for the font style and font color and then font size and go to animation, select loop, and you can import the gushing. Here's just add to the track if you already downloaded it. So you can see for the final result like this. Okay, so that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment section. And thank you so much for watching.